Here we are at Walnut Laboratories, experimenting with generator gas, also known as producer gas or wood gas. Let's take a look. This is our gas generator. It's made out of an air filter for an old bulldozer. The fire is here in the bottom, and the airflow comes in the top, goes through the fuel, through the charcoal bed, comes back up and goes out this opening. And by having the air go through the charcoal bed, it increases performance. Here's a look down inside the combustion chamber. We just run out of pellets, and so they've burned all the way up through the top of the fuel supply. This is the air mixture. This is the level of smoke. Going down into an existing carburetor with the main jet shut down completely.